classy people, welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life. Today we have another Ibotta haul for you. For the coupon lovers, I'm here. All right, so let's get into this haul. I was so excited because if you see my last video, I did 10 rebates, and one of my bonuses, I was needing to do 15 rebates. So I had basically did 10, needed to do 5 additional to get $5. And that was the Saving So Sweet bonus. Now the next bonus I had was my weekend cash dash. Doing 10 rebates was going to give me an additional $5. So what I decided to do was just straight out do the 10. So I would cover both of those bonuses. So let's jump into it. I'm excited about my rebates I'm about to share with you all. So I got the any salad rebate. Now, if you all are unfamiliar with Ibotta, please go check out my playlist for Ibotta. It will explain how Ibotta works as a rebate app. You cannot combine coupons with Ibotta, but it's a great savings because many of these items I'm going to purchase anyway. Okay, I'm going to purchase them anyway, so I might as well save a few pennies, coins, cash. Okay, all right. So today's first rebate is any salad rebate. So I went into the produce section and got this little bag salad. This is a Green Goddess mini chopped kit, and it was priced $1.98 in my Walmart. There is a 10-cent any salad rebate, making the final cost $1.88. This particular salad has cabbage, green leaf lettuce, shredded broccoli, carrots, cheese and garlic, crouton crumbles, green onion, and a creamy Green Goddess ranch dressing. So I think I may use that for Sunday for the Super Bowl. All right, next rebate. Super excited about this, honey, because you already know the price of eggs is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so a dozen of eggs was like $6, I think, in my Walmart. So this is a any egg rebate. All right, so this is actually a 6 dozen of eggs, priced $3.14 in my Walmart. There is a $2.50 rebate, making the final cost for these 6 eggs 64 cents. Now you can't beat that with a stick. Okay, now this rebate, I've been told this rebate from a video that was sent to me by my sis Tiffany. Shout out to Tiffany, Sarah Diva Jackson. I'm going to always call her that, even though she's changed her name on here. So that's a great deal. And it's going to reset. It should reset like 4 or 5 times, I think she said in the video. So that's going to be awesome. So when that resets again, honey, I'm going to go back to Walmart and get me some old 64-cent eggs. All right. Next rebate, I decided to get the Krusties. I wanted to try this. This is a banana nut muffin mix. So the price of this was $3.38. There is a $1.25 rebate from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.13. So if we don't go to our favorite breakfast spot in the morning, I will make some banana nut muffins. Who knows? So the next rebate I decided to get was the Haagen-Dazs, honey. Hope these are good. Okay, I know they're good. They're Haagen-Dazs, honey. All right, these are the Haagen-Dazs vanilla milk chocolate ice cream bars. It has to be the 3 count. Okay, now the reason why I got these is because of the other rebate I did yesterday. I did the little pint, so I got the bars to qualify for the 75 cents bonus. That's the great thing about the Ibotta rebate app, is there will be bonuses for buying this and buying that. You're getting even more savings on top of the actual rebate, so you can't beat that. Okay, so this Haagen-Dazs was priced $4.48 in my Walmart. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate. Also, there is a 75-cent bonus that I completed for purchasing the pint earlier. I'm breaking it down for the new couponers, okay? A total of $1.50 back, making the final cost $2.98, okay? Now, there was one that had like cookie crumbles on it, but the date on it was going out in November. So I didn't feel comfortable with that. So I decided to get this one, which is actually going to go out March of 2026. You know, I was checking that date. All right, so the next thing I decided to get was the College Inn beef broth. I use beef broth to make my French onion soup, and I may do something with that for the Super Bowl. Maybe make little French onion soups. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. But at any rate, this is the College Inn beef broth, $2.34 in my Walmart. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.09 for the College Inn beef broth. I also have a roast in the freezer, so I could use it for that either way. All right, next thing I decided to get was the Tasty Cake. Now, these are for my husband because I don't really care for these. You know, I'm not really a honey bun type person. I call it honey bun. It's a pecan swirl, okay? Now, these were priced $1.78 in my Walmart. There is a 35-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.43. There was also, this is a neighborhood Walmart that I shop with, so they sometimes don't have all the varieties, but they did have another variety that did work with the Tasty Cake rebate. However, it was priced a little more, and my husband said he likes these, so I just got these so he could have them for his lunch, okay? Had to also get my next rebate, which was the Land O'Lakes butter with canola oil. I decided to get this again because I can drop it in the freezer for the times that I run out of butter and haven't been to Sam's Club. Okay? Okay. And I told y'all in the other video that there is some other flavors. I think I got the herb butter yesterday. Yeah. So this one is priced $2.48, a little cheaper than the other one I got. 65 cents coming back from the Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.83. Great, great deal. Next, what did I get? I got this. Yes, we got a money maker, honey. Now, this one is the Kinder Chocolate. Now, this particular item was actually priced only 50 cents in my Walmart. So the actual rebate is supposed to be a free after you purchase rebate. So the rebate is actually $1.69, making the final cost be free and $1.19 a money maker. That's a great deal. It's a milk chocolate treat with a creamy, milky filling. Interesting. Okay. The next rebate I decided to get was the Hidden Valley Ranch. I need to make sure I remember to buy some sour cream so I can make this restaurant style dressing. So this was priced $1.98 in my Walmart. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.48. Now, I'm pretty sure you could also probably use this on roasted potatoes. My sister turned me on to that. Chopping up potatoes and mixing this with melted butter and putting it over the potatoes and roasting them in the oven. Delicious. Okay, delicious. Last rebate I decided to get again was the McCormick. I got the McCormick Parmesan garlic simmer and serve sauce. Now I got the herb and lemon, I think was the other one. This one is the Parmesan and garlic. You combine it with a cup of milk. It cooks very quick, and the other one was tasty, so hopefully this one will be as well. All right. Now this one was priced $1.46 in my Walmart. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.21. Yes. Let's jump into the amounts, okay? The totals. How much did I save and how much money am I getting back? All right, so the total of everything, these 10 rebates, was $23.52. I got back $8.29 for the actual rebates. I got my 75-cent bonus for the Haagen-Dazs ice cream. I got $5 bonus for the savings So Sweet for completing the 15 rebates. You know, I got these 10 and then I had already done some the prior day. Okay, so I was just needing 5 of these rebates to count towards that bonus. Okay, because I'd already did 10 from the other day. All right, trying to make it make sense for the newbies. Okay, and then the last thing, I got $5 additional for the weekend cash dash bonus. Okay, had to do 10 rebates to get $5, making the final cost be, drum roll please, $4.48 for a price of 45 cents per item. I think that is amazing. That is a great, great deal. So if you all are thinking about joining the Ibotta app, feel free to use my code for joining, and they'll probably give you something extra and give me something extra if that still applies. I think it does. I don't know. But at any rate, make sure you check out my Ibotta playlist if you're trying to learn how to use Ibotta. I thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, would you please give me a thumbs up? Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be a member of the classy crew and the coupon crew too, okay? I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.